Hi, so today we're here with Maddie, who's one of our team members, who is just going to have her weekly adjustment. So we're going to get her up on the couch and get stuck in. Right, so best knee up first, Maddie, and then lie down. Lovely. Yes, just going to lift her up. Maddie just told me just now that she is a right PD, and I can actually see she's short on the right side from here. Just lift up into position. Right. Here we go. So we do the 6-point landing, and yeah, Maddie is very clearly a right PD. So we go first to the knees, check for a medial tibia. That is all good. Moving up onto pelvis. Getting a bit of change there, so I think we'll go with the right AS. And just checking the other side. Yeah, and the left PI. So both sides of the pelvis to adjust. Find the PSIS, come across, get onto S1. And then we move across to the crest of the ilium. And the third point of adjustment is ischial tuberosity. Lovely. And then we come round to the left PI ilium, spine of the ischium, onto the sacrotuberous ligament, usually a bit sensitive, and into the iliac fossa. Bang over the sciatic nerve. Yeah, I think maybe felt that one. Yeah. Okay, everybody see that little twitch there as the reset? Good. Okay. Squeeze your knees together, Maddie, and there you go. Check in the front of the pelvis, that's okay. Right hand up behind your back. Swap your hands around, that was the L5 test. There is a very clear left L4. Both hands up behind your back together. Okay, and possibly an L2, both back down by side. We'll adjust the L4 first. Crest of the ilium, come across, find L4. Onto the inferior aspect of the articulating process and the line of driver's anterior superior. Let's go back and check L2 again. So both hands up behind your back again. Yeah, you see that actually clears that. So that's that movement through L4 has actually affected 2 levels up because it will work its way through the vertebra as well. So good. Both back down by your sides. Take your right hand up by your face. Good. Big deep breath in and out. Okay. So left hand up as well. And both back down by sides. T8 on the left. Angle of the scapula, come across, put you around about T7, T8, and then palpation skills to find the clearly tight, tender spot that I've got my finger right on it there. Yeah, pretty damn much, yeah. There we go. Anterior superior, slightly medial, and across to the rib and down the shaft of the rib. Okay, good. Turn your head to the right. Good. Lift the right shoulder up off the couch and back down. Shrug both shoulders up to your ears and back down. Okay, good. Squeeze the right elbow flat against your side and let go. And squeeze the left elbow into your side. And let go. You've got a little bit, just squeeze the right elbow in and just hold it. Yeah, that really brings it out there. Okay, and let go. So we have a right medial scapula. Shrug your shoulders up to your ears and then roll them back. Let it up and roll and down. And then head goes back into the center. Okay. It's possibly a C7. We'll just clear this right scapula. So, and come round to the shaft of the humerus. couple of options in here. In the textbook it actually says to bring the hand up there. I tend to do it there. For those that have got a really sore shoulder, if you come up there, that can be a little bit sore, whereas keeping it down here, they'll be more comfortable. And the last one into the lunate. Good, we'll just recheck that C7. So turn head to the right again. Shrug your shoulders up and roll them back. Just the T1 rib test. Just, yeah, that's okay. Then head back into the centre. That's okay. Lift up your head and back down. That is a very clear C5 on the left. Tuck your chin down to your chest and back to centre. Okay, push face down into the couch and let go. Okay, so slight tuck of chin down to your chest. Come off the occiput, there's C2, 3, 4, 5. Tend to find either side of the spinous process there. Come across to the transverse or mammillary process, that one. There we go, that's not easy to say. There we go, good. Head back into neutral. So, just try that again, lift up your head and back down. Good, tuck your chin down to your chest and back to centre. Good, stretch your right hand towards your right knee and back round. And left hand to left knee and let go. Okay, Maddie, was there anything top of your list of concerns, issues at all?
Quite a bad headache, but other than that.
Bit of a bad headache. Where in your head?
Right over the top of my head.
Over the top, kind of, and equally on both sides?
Yeah.
Okay. So, first line of thinking would be to check for superior inferior occiput. So let's do that. So push your forehead into the couch and let go. Push your chin into the couch and let go. There you go. Nice, clear inferior occiput. Activator 5 to setting 1. Find the external occipital protuberance, the AOP, and just come as underneath it as you can possibly get. And line the driver straight, superior. There we go. Push your chin down into the couch and let go. Okay, good. So let's get Maddie up and see how things are going. So, nice and steady. I think, Maddie, if you come up and sit up to your left, so facing the window. There we go. So that was running through the basic scan. We chucked in a couple of other things as well, and also just looking at one thing, obviously, to pick up for headaches. See you next time.